Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Python environment you're actually running. Use conda envlist or Python mpip show ipykernel to see packages. Once you know the environment, check Jupyter kernel spec list to find kernel paths. Make sure the notebook server logs are visible so you can watch errors in real time. If you're in a virtualenv or conda env, activate it now. This prevents mismatches when you reinstall ipykernel or kernel specs and saves you time debugging later. Next, you repair the kernel by reinstalling ipykernel and related clients so the kernel and Jupyter agree on Python paths. Activate the environment, run pip install upgrade ipykernel Jupyter client, and then python m ipykernel install with a clear name. This registers the correct interpreter. Once done, restart the Jupyter server and open the notebook. Watch startup logs for import error or path mismatches. If a native extension failed, reinstall the package that raised the error and rebuild any compiled wheels before continuing. Finally, validate the fix by opening a new notebook with the repaired kernel and running quick checks: import sys, print sys, executable, and import common libs like numpy. That confirms the interpreter and package visibility. If issues persist, run Jupyter troubleshoot and compare path and Python path between your shell and the server. Environment mismatch is a common culprit. As a fallback, create a new clean environment, install only needed packages, register its kernel, and migrate notebooks one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.